It's 1st of Feb 2022. I attended all the classes so sincerely today. Not all, but yeah, most of the classes. I hate IT. I just can't handle listening to this boring discussion that's going on, sharing presentations and all those trash things. So, yeah, I was telling about the attendance. I I attended all the classes so sincerely, even attendance with my camera on. I don't usually attend attendance. No, it's not called attendance. I think it's called assembly. Who cares? That's the precious time to sleep. Then I did a lot of time pass today. Like I studied very little. I was not able to complete my to-do list. Can has anybody ever in this world completed his to-do list? I never did in my whole life. That feels impossible. Maybe one day I will be able to do it. Yeah. Then today, my neighbor sent us kachori. I think sent is the right word to mention it. Like you know what I mean. So my neighbor sent a kachori and it was delicious. It was too good. And the fact that my neighbor is a Gujarati and made such a good kachori, even my mother cannot make like this good kachori, astonished me. It was really good. You might be thinking why I am looking at my hand. I wrote all this what I have to speak. It's hard to do things in front of a camera. So yeah, Maggie it's written. I just now made Maggie which looked real good. I did not taste it yet. I made it from my brother. So, but it looked good. I added cheese too. It looked delicious. I'm saying looked because I did not taste it. Because I just don't want to eat or eat anything. So, this is what my day went like. See you tomorrow. बंद नहीं हो रहा